Here we have subtraction of large numbers. So you all know how to subtract the number. But in class 5, again we have large numbers. So very important, only one property. You have to keep in your mind that after doing subtraction, you check it that this is right or wrong. So my very first sum is subtract each of the following and check the answer. First put it under proper column. So this is the right way from my side, that you put it one line in between the page. Now we have ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. So you put the number under proper column. Now you minus it, that we have 3,21,345. So you all know that this is very easy. You all know how to subtract the big number. But when again and again next step you have again large number, very large number. So you have to, this is your half sum, to take out the subtraction or to minus from here, and half mark is for checking the answer. So again you put these like that again. Now let's see, I'm giving you very easy method for that. 9 minus 5, we have 4. 0 minus 4, not possible. So take one from here, make it circle here. 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Now here we have 1 remaining. So what to do? Take one from here. Here we have 0. So 11. 11 minus 3, 8. So here we have 0. 0 minus 1, not possible. So borrow one number from here. Here we have 6. Now here we have 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 6 minus 2, 8. 6 minus 3, 3. So now I am going to tell you how to check the answer, that your subtraction is right or wrong. Now look at here once again. 9 minus 5, 4. Now 10 minus 4, 6. Now here 1 is remaining. 11 minus 3, 8. 10 minus 1, 9. 6 minus 2. Now what to do? Take it this number, make a arrow like that, and take direct this number upper side. 3,89,864. Now this number you take it straight. 3,21,345. Now what to do? We will add the number. Now see, look at here. Now make one star here and make one star here. Make one star here, this number. So if now you add it, if the numbers are same, it means that you have checked your sum and your sum is right. Now come here. 4 plus 5, 9. 6 plus 4, 10. 1, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 1 carry over 10, 11. Now 1 carry over 9, 10, 11, 7. So here we have again, look at here, 9, 10. Now look at here, 5 plus 4, 9. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 carry over 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 10, 11. 10, 11, 7. So here we have, so this, the answer is wrong. It means 711,209. Answer is not coming. It means that your sum is wrong. Now let's do again. Now we will again check the answer and I will give you right. My purpose was to do that sum wrong, to let you know that in hurry, when we do the subtraction, even a simple number, it should be wrong. Now look at here. Now this is the answer. We have subtract here. 9 minus 5, 4. 10 minus 4, 6. 11 minus 3, 8. Then 10 minus 1, 9. 6 minus 2, 4 and 3. Now take this number upper side. Always remember in your mind, whatever the answer is coming, we have to take it upper side. Now this is straight. Now add the number. So now put it here star and put it here star. And let's see that the answer is right or wrong. 4 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 10, 11, 6, 7, 6. Yes, the answer is right. It means that we have checked properly. So that was earlier I have done wrong. For that I want to show you that this is the way. First you take this upper side, then straight, then plus it and put stars and match star with star. Here we have star, here we have star. So you match the answer. If the answer is same, means you have done right and you have checked your answer and your subtraction sum of large number is right. We have word problem of subtraction. A factory produced 8,10,240 tires in the month of May. Out of these, 4,328 tires were found defective in the quality check. How many tires were not found defective? So language is very easy. You all know that number of tires produced this much tires were defective, so we have to do subtraction, this minus this. Now one very important thing I'll let you know, that in simple sum, when we have subtraction and they mention in the question that check your answer, then you have to give your checking. But here simple subtraction, but for your satisfaction that you have done your answer right or wrong, you check it in your rough side, and then when you feel that now the question is right, your calculation is right, then you write the final answer. So here we have solution. Number of tire produced in the month of May, 8,10,240. Number of tires were found defective, 4,328. So what to do? We have to minus this number from this number. Let's do that. So let's do subtraction now. 8,10,240. So subtract 4,328. 10 minus 8, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 12 minus 3, that is 9. Here we have, now we have taken here 10. So here we have 9. 9 minus 4, 5. Here we have 0. So this is the answer. So before writing your answer, you check it in your rough column. No need to put it in fair place, as they are not saying that check your answer and write. But this you have to do. This point is must for you. So now plus this, do it plus, and you will get this much answer. So 8 plus 2, 0, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 9, 10, 1, 8. So we have 8,10,240. Yes, your answer is right. So write the answer. Always your answer is in the last line of your word problem question. How many tires were not defective? So 8,05,912 tires were not defective. So this is the answer. So very large number, subtraction of very large number. You have to take care of that. First you check your answer and then write your answer. If they are asking that check your answer, then you have to mention your this method in final place. But if we have problem sum, word problem sum, you do this in your rough notebook. So again I am repeating, 8,05,912 tires were not